Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining us. We are getting started on the Banana. Gonna put that baseline dyno down, pull those numbers. We want to say special thanks to the first person that responded with the correct answer. We're gonna name you as the winner there on that. Props to you. All right, well, let's get to the dyno and see what you did. A whopping 230 and 226 torques. Mighty fine for a baseline. It's weird to take car parts off of a car and put it back in stock, so we can do that, by the way. It felt wrong. All right, guys, so round one on the Banana build is going to be Z1 Plenum spacer install, also complemented with a Z1 M-Spec intake. Just doing those pair together, and gonna leave it to Fastlane Doug here, famous Fastlane, to wrap that install up. Once we've got that together, we will get it back on the dyno, but not before seeing what everybody in the office thinks it's going to make.
M-Spec and Plenum spacer, what's it going to make?
I-250s. 244. 242.
245?
237.
237?
245-ish? 245?
Oh. 243. 246, somewhere around there.
Sounds like 243.
243, that's
right.
That's been a common, yeah, like 43 to 45.
With stock cats and stock exhaust. Yeah. It's my guess.
Now, is this with upper rev?
No,
No upper rev.
just stock car. DE 100% stock with Plenum spacer and M-Spec.
240.
240? Okay.
And I ain't no holler back. And I ain't no holler. 246. Look at that top end.
Ding, ding, ding. All right, so Banana continues. Next round, fellas, is going to be Z1 cat back. All right, factory cats will stay on the car. Z1 cat back goes on. What's it gonna make? Tell us. You can put it in the comments. Tell us what you think it's gonna make. Should we have done a slant tip, straight tip? Who knows? Tune in for the next round of the Budget Banana build and find out. See you in a couple days.